Here we have a Ingersoll ran 60-gallon vertical compressor. This is 5 horsepower, 230 volt single phase. It appears to be used, and it does have a little bit of shipping distress, but it does operate. We're going to show you right now that it does. Pressure switch does work. There's a little switch right there. Okay, the reason why we're saying it's used is because the unit already had some oil in it. Also, this knockout right here, that's been drilled through right there, and it's got a couple little paint scratches on the tank. Not a big deal. The cage right here is a little bent, as well as the bracket right here on from the pump to the here, so that just needs to be straightened out a little bit. And then this air filter right here, it's got a little squished here, probably during shipping. Like I said, it is used, but it is in running condition. And we thank you for looking.